Hey guys, welcome back to Click. In this video, I'll be discussing with you Csnoobs review. So you might be wondering, what is Csnoobs? Now, Csnoobs here is an online store established in around 2020, specializing in toy guns and gel ball blasters, recreational toys that fire small water-absorbent gel balls rather than live ammunition. Now, the catalog covers a range of styles modeled after various firearm designs, along with dart blasters, shell ejecting toy rifles, and some general toys like water guns and kids items. Now, the product listings typically include specs like firing range, commonly around 15 to 35 meters, depending on the model, FPS or feet per second, generally under like 260 on the listing shown, ammo size usually around 7 to 8 millimeter gel balls, and what's included in the box, commonly the blaster itself, a battery and a USB charger, and extra magazines, and safety glasses obviously, and some accessories like a scope or laser pointer attachment. Now, for the use or how to exactly start using the store, now in this case, it works like any kind of store out there. You just need to browse by category, either toy gun, gel blaster, or etc., and select the product and check its specific listing and included the accessories before adding to the cart here. The checkout follows a standard e-commerce flow here. The site notes shipping timeline of about like 2 to 4 weeks for general goods and around 3 to 7 weeks specifically for toy guns, since these items go through customs screening in various countries due to their realistic appearance. Now, the FAQ states items are occasionally held by customs, citing roughly at a 2% rate here, and that a refund is issued in that case. Now, the site also notes that it has taken legal action against parties impersonating its brand elsewhere, and that Csnoobs currently operates only through this one official storefront. Now, on the pricing here, individual blasters actually vary widely by model, generally ranging from around $35 for smaller pistol style toys to around $250 to $300. Now, it totally depends on what you are trying to buy here. Now, for larger rifles or sniper style models here, so it could cost more. Now, with most items here shown at a discount from their listed regular price. But that's about it. It's a fun video. Hopefully, the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.